Hello everyone, today we will do class 9 chapter 13 surface areas and volumes exercise 13.8 question number 8. A dome of a building is in the form of hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome. Now here in this question, the total cost for whitewashing is 498.96 and cost to whitewash 1 meter square is rupees 2. So to find the inside surface area of the dome, we will divide the total cost by cost per square meter. So solution for the first part is inside surface area of the dome, which is hemispherical in shape, that will be equal to the total cost over cost per meter square. So this will be equal to 249.48 meters square. This will be the inside surface area of the dome. Now secondly, we have to find the volume of air inside the dome. That is, we have to find the volume of hemispherical dome. Now for that we need R. So to solve the second part, we will use this thing, that inside surface area of hemispherical dome is 249.48. Now surface area of hemisphere is given by 2 pi r square. It is inside surface area, so we will take the curved surface area here, which can be written as 249.48 by 100. Now from here we will calculate the value of r. So it will be like this. R square will be 24948 over 100 into 7. 2 into 22. So let us solve this. When we will divide it by 2, it will be 1, 2, 4, 7, 4. Now let us divide it by 11. By 11 it is 2. It is 1, 1, 3, 4. Now we will get r square as 1134 into 7 over 100 multiplied by 2. Let us again divide it by 2. This is 5. Then we have 6. Then we have 7. So r square is 567 into 7 over 100. Now to find the value of r from here, let us find the prime factors of 567, which will be equal to 7 multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. These are the prime factors of 567. We are calculating it as we have to find from here the value of r. This is 7. This is 10. 100 is 10 multiplied by 10. So r will be square root of 7 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 over 10 multiplied by 10. So this will be 3 into 3 into 7 by 10, which is equal to 63 over 10, which is 6.3. So R here is 6.3 meters. Now we have to find the volume of the air inside the dome. Now this will be equal to volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this is 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 cube, which is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 63 by 10 cube. Now which is 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 63 by 10 multiplied by 63 by 10 multiplied by 63 by 10. Now this is 9. This is 3. So we will get 2 into 22 into 3 into 63 into 63 over 1000. Now this is 44 into 3 is 132 into 63 into 63 over 1000. And now when 132 is multiplied by 63, again multiplied by 63, the answer will be 523.908 meter cube multiplied and then divided by 1000, and the answer that we can write is 523.9 meter cube approximately.